In this video, I'll discuss a type of fat that has been started to be banned worldwide because it's indeed very bad for your health. Trans fats. Trans fats are created when polyunsaturated vegetable oils are heated in the presence of hydrogen gas to semi-solidify them. Trans fats are used abundantly in processed foods because they improve taste, increase shelf life, and have a less greasy feel. In 2015, the FDA placed a ban on products containing partially hydrogenated oils, the major source of trans fat in the food supply, and considered them no longer generally recognized as safe. The deadline of June 2018 given to the manufacturers to stop using PHOs was extended to January 1st, 2020. In India, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India (FSSAI) has capped the amount of trans fats in oils and fats to 3% for 2021 and 2% by 2022 from the current permissible limit of 5%. Consumption of trans fat triggers chronic inflammation and increases the risk of coronary heart disease. It can cause insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Despite the ban, it can be challenging to avoid trans fats if you consume processed foods frequently. In the United States, food manufacturers can label their packaged food as trans fat free as long as there are fewer than 0.5 grams of these fats per serving. Even this small amount can add up, especially if you eat processed junk and fast foods often. Some of the common foods that contain trans fats are margarine, which is a cheap alternative to butter, often disguised as healthy. Margarine contains trans fats in them. Guys, a thumb rule when reading the nutrition label is this: never look at the front of the packaging where the marketers make false health claims about their products. Switch to the back of the product and check out the ingredient list. The first 3 ingredients make up for most of the given product, and look for the phrase partially hydrogenated oils. These are your trans fats. Remember, even if the trans fat content is mentioned as 0 grams, it still has close to 0.5 grams in it per serving. Other foods that are also high in trans fats and the ones that you should absolutely avoid or minimize are most of the bakery products like cakes, pastries, donuts, and biscuits. Fried foods, which include French fries, fried noodles, Indian fried foods like pakoras and samosas. Basically, any foods that are fried in vegetable oils. If vegetable oils are reheated, which they are in most eateries, the trans fat content in them increases. Chips, frozen pizzas, vegetable shortening, non-dairy creamers are also other processed foods that contain trans fats. Just look for the phrase partially hydrogenated oils. Bottom line, trans fat plays havoc with your health. It is difficult to total up just how many grams of trans fat you're consuming, especially if you eat out regularly. My recommendation is to significantly cut down the consumption of bakery and fried foods. Be a health conscious individual and check the nutrition labels and not what the food marketers want you to believe falsely.